Why does your scanner show the P0358 engine code? What does it mean? P0358 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil 8 primary or secondary circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM or ECM has detected an issue with the circuit that controls the ignition coil in the 8th cylinder. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective ignition coil, H. Wiring issues. PCM issues. Other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150 trucks. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.